Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how your diet impacts not just your health, but also the planet? Today, we're going to explore how adopting a plant-based diet can make a world of difference for both your well-being and the environment. In this video, we'll delve into the remarkable benefits of a plant-based lifestyle and how it can transform your health. By choosing plant-based foods, you're fueling your body with nutrient-dense meals while also contributing to a more sustainable and eco-friendly world. Let's talk about a pressing issue, the rise in health problems like obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. The typical Western diet, rich in animal products and processed foods, has led to widespread health challenges. It's clear that we need a change, and a plant-based diet offers a promising solution. So, why is a plant-based diet so effective? Join me as we uncover the science behind the benefits of plant-based nutrition. Whole foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and grains are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote optimal health. These foods can help reduce inflammation, boost your immune system, and provide sustained energy. Imagine feeling more energetic, reducing your risk of chronic diseases, and even improving your mental clarity. These are just a few of the incredible benefits that come with a plant-based diet. It's not just about surviving, it's about thriving. To sum it up, embracing a plant-based diet offers numerous advantages, from better health to a reduced environmental footprint. By making mindful choices about what we eat, we can foster a healthier future for ourselves and for the planet. I invite you to start your plant-based journey today. Experiment with incorporating more plant-based meals into your routine and experience the positive changes for yourself. Check the description below for more resources and meal ideas to help you get started. Don't forget to share your progress and tips in the comments. Let's support each other on this path to a healthier, happier life. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.